Hey everyone, back again with a $10 scratch off new for February 2019. It's the Illinois Lottery Black Scratch Off from the Illinois Lottery. All you have to do is match any of your numbers to the winning numbers, win the prize shown. If you get a 5X, then you win 5 times. If you get a gold symbol, then you win 50. If you reveal a diamond, you win 1,000. Just ticket number 45. Scratch it today with the Lucky Vegas coin that I always seem to win big off of when I do it. So here we go. Let's see what our numbers are. Alrighty, so 48, 17, 10, 6, 41, and 18. Get this fast and easy. Alright, row 1. Doesn't look like nothing in row 1. On to row 2. Alright, so 47, no. 16, no. 29, no. 40, and 22. On to row 3. Alright, so we don't have a 2, we don't have a 33 to match. We have 6, but not 36, 45, no, 56. Alright, down to the last row. 30, 44, 51, no, we have 41, but not 51. And 31, but we need 41. And 17. So on the last one, we do have a 17, which is right here. And here's the prize. As I said, lucky coin. Let's see what the prize is. Okay, so end up getting money back. So at least we get our money back, play again, and hopefully we win some more. It's the Illinois Lottery Black. Thanks for watching.